It goes, turn it that way. No, the other way. Goes like this. Look at the top and the back. It has the hanging thing. Yeah. It's the sound waves of Grandma saying "love you."
Are you serious? How? Where do you hear it?
No, you can't hear it. It's just I painted it for the sound waves.
Seriously? Oh my god! I'm gonna cry. Oh my god! Thank you guys so much.